Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bolt food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bolt Food is a food delivery app developed by Bolt, the same company known for its popular ride-hailing service. The app allows users to order meals from local restaurants and have them delivered right to their doorstep. Available in multiple countries, Bolt Food aims to offer fast, affordable, and reliable food delivery with an easy-to-use interface and competitive delivery fees. The app's main features include restaurant browsing by cuisine, live order tracking, and cashless payments via debit card, credit card, or Bolt Balance. Users can view estimated delivery times before confirming an order, get updates in real time, and save favorite restaurants for quick reorders. Bolt Food also regularly offers discounts, promo codes, and free delivery campaigns in select areas. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Bolt Food's affordable pricing, reliable delivery times, and clean interface. Compared to competitors like Uber Eats and DoorDash, Bolt Food often provides cheaper delivery fees and faster service in supported cities. Restaurant availability is growing steadily, and the app's minimalistic design makes it simple for anyone to use. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's restaurant selection can be limited in smaller regions, and customer service response times vary by country. Some users also report occasional payment glitches and incorrect order handovers during busy hours. Additionally, since Bolt Food is still expanding, not all areas have consistent delivery coverage yet. In summary, the Bolt Food app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable, low-cost food delivery service with a smooth interface and quick delivery times. However, if you live outside its coverage area or prefer a larger restaurant network, you may want to explore other options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.